Hi and welcome back to Picket Fans YouTube channel. My name is Emily, and in this video I will be creating one festive card using a technique called mirror stamping. And for doing that I will be using this paper inking palette. I believe this was the 5x6 version that I will be using inside my Misty. But I will start off by sharing how I just stamp my image the regular way. So I'm using a new stamp set called Hi, Hey, Hello, Giraffe, and it's a really cute one. It was released in a kit a year ago, but is now available for purchase individually. So now I'm taking away the foam cushion inside of my Misty, and then I'm replacing it with my paper inking palette. And then I will, as I would normally, ink up my stamp with the black ink from Picket Fence, and I will use my pouncer here and then I will take my cardstock and nestle it into the corner of my Misty here, and then I will making sure that this is all aligned, and I'm taking my paper tool here again, and I'm carefully lifting this up, and you can see that I get a really good impression. I wasn't happy with how light it was, so I will do that a second time. I haven't moved my stamp, I haven't moved my palette here, everything is in place. So all I'm doing is nestling that piece of paper right back into that corner, and then I can once more press it down. And the nice thing is that the palette is grabbing onto the back of my Misty, so nothing will move. You can see how strong this is, and yeah, you can see the nice impression that I got. So that is mirror stamping. Let me know down in the comments if you like this technique and would like to see more projects like this created with the mirror stamping. I can totally do that. I like experimenting with the tools I have in my stash, and I hope you will be inspired to do the same. So now I will just color in my giraffes in with my Olo markers. These are alcohol based markers, and you can find them over at Picket Fence shop if you like to grab them. I will color the second one in the same way. I don't have the coordinating dies for this image. If there is coordinating dies, I will link them down below, and you can see, but this was quite an easy image to fussy cut. And I looked through my stash, but I couldn't find a party hat, so I cut my own to fit my giraffes. I had party hats, but they weren't dies that were like the perfect size. So I created a fun party hat of my own. I'm just creasing some paper here to be like the fun bottom part of my party hat. Hope that makes sense. And then I will fibble it. I will fibble a lot with this off camera as well, but I took some liquid glue and I just place it down, and I did one in pink and one in teal because that's my go-to color combination. And I also did the top here. I don't know, you can cut whatever. I just fussy cutted some top bits here, and then I decorated my party hat with some embellishment from Picket Fence, and these are the sound waves, and they are really beautiful. And for my sentiment, I like to go ahead and create a lot of sentiments when I have my supplies out. So I'm using the Swanky Sentiments Birthday, and there has been previously released sets that are similar to this with other types of messages. I have been enjoying so much to use them, so I will use them for this one as well. And then this has also been like a go-to product for me lately. It's the basic die cutting system set 1. It's amazing. I think this is a must-have in any stash. I think it's just brilliant. And by the way, the giraffes here, my daughter, when she looked at this card, she was like, "Mommy, I like the card and everything, but I don't think the giraffes are like the most happiest images I have been seeing." And that is correct, and that is what I love about this card, because I choose the sentiment that says it's your birthday. And this would be me and my BFF. If somebody would go to me and say, it's your birthday, and she was in the room, I will look at her exactly the way these giraffes are looking at each other, like rolling my eyes and be like, yeah, it's my birthday, thank you for reminding me. Yeah, so yeah, that's just me and my BFF. Maybe you have somebody in your, like, that you are close with, that you have like inside jokes with, that are like mine are with my friend. So this isn't a birthday card that would necessarily like fit anybody, but for her, she would totally get it and she would love it. So yeah, I just thought it was really funny to create this like bright and happy card and have these large images like looking at each other like they are, yeah, just not that happy with the situation. So anyway, that was my story behind this card. So, by the way, the paper I'm using in the background is a beautiful paper pack called Birthday Bash, and it's a fabulous foiling toner cardstock in the A2 size format. And I also embellished my card a little bit further with some of that the sound waves mix. I hope you enjoyed this process video and got inspired to try your supplies and maybe create like reversed image like this, a mirror stamped image. The paper inking palette is amazing for techniques, not just this one, but a lot of other as well. So thank you so much for watching this video, and we will be back soon with more inspiration. Bye!